can tell all parents, your children don't come to be what you want them to be. Do not feel guilty. Don't feel guilty, none at all. Because guess what? You raise them to the best of your ability. And some people come in like them wicked to even them parents. They know that their parents is not into certain things. And what they do, they go out the street and do the exact things that them parents don't want them to do. And I think that is a big, big disrespect. Big disrespect. Some of them go kill. Some of them go thief. Some of them go lean. Some of them go prostitute. Them always do things that the parents did not agree with them to do. They do things to let the parents look bad and fight against the rules of the parents. So anytime karma reach some of them pick me, make it reach them.